Welcome to SAKmods. Thank you for joining me. Today I've got a pretty simple build here, nothing too crazy. This started out as a super tinker. I ended up taking the scissor layer out for another build. This one I did acid etch and brass wash all the tools and springs. So let's get started here. Of course you get the tweezer and toothpick there. On the back side you have the Phillips screwdriver there. You got the awl. Got the bottle cap opener with the wire stripper and the large slotted screwdriver tip there. Got the can opener with the small slotted screwdriver tip. The small blade. And finally, the large blade. That's going to do it for this build. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. I'm doing a giveaway for once I hit 1,000 subscribers. Be giving away one of my mods. And I want to thank everybody for watching.